Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time, you are welcome. So in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to make this beautiful shell stitch. I saw it in my crochet book and I attempted it and it came out so beautiful, so I thought of sharing it with you. So this shell stitch is actually very simple and it has two faces. That means it has just two faces. That means it can serve as the front, it can also serve as the back. So you can use it to make your clothing, your top, you can use it for your blankets. If you just want a closed top stitch, then you can give the stitch a try. So let's get straight into it. So in today's tutorial, I'll be making use of my 4.5mm and an acrylic yarn. So first we have to work in multiples. To make a shell, to make this particular shell, I'll be working in multiples of 6 plus 7, multiples of 6 plus 7. So right now I'm going to be doing my chain. So I'll make chains now. I'll make my slip knot first. Okay, done. Then I make a total chain of 18. 1, 2, 3. 17 and 18. So I have my 18 chains ready. So I'm going to add 7 to it because this pattern is a multiple of 6 plus 7. You can do 20, 24, just a multiple of 6 plus 7. So I'm going to add 7 to this 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I've added my 7. So this pattern is just a repeat of 2 rounds. So it's just a repeat of 2 rounds. So right now I'm going to be doing a 2 double crochet into this 4th chain. So yarn over and into that 4th chain. I'm going to insert 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. You can see right there. Then I'm going to be skipping 2 chains, 1 and 2. Then into the next chain, into the 3rd chain, I'm going to be doing a double crochet, 1, 2, and into this 3rd one I'll be doing a double crochet. You can see I have it right there. So I'm going to skip another 2 chains, 1 and 2, and into the 3rd one I'll be doing 5 double crochet. So you can see I've skipped 1 and 2, and into this 3rd one I'll be doing 5 double crochet. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can see right there I have 5 double crochet into the same O. So I'll be repeating this for the next round, for the end of this chain. So what I'm going to do next is I'll be skipping 2 chains and I'll make 1 double crochet into the next. So I'll be skipping these 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the 3rd chain I'll make 1 double crochet right there. Then I skip another two and make 5 double crochet into the next. So 1, 2, and into the third chain I'll make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can see, skip 2, 1, 2, and into the third you make 1 double crochet, 1, 2, and into this next one I'll make 1 double crochet. You can see right there, I skip 2, 1, 2, and into the next I'll make 5 double crochet there. 1, sorry, so 1, 2, and 3 to that third space. I'll be making 5 double crochet right there. You can see they're coming up. So right now I'm at the end of this chain 18. So to finish this row, you have to finish with skip 2 and 1 double crochet into the last space. So you can see 1, 2, and I will make 1 double crochet into the last chain space. You can see right there. So this is our round 1, and to work my round 2, I will chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Then you flip your work. You flip your work to the other side. Then I'll be making 2 double crochet into the first double crochet. So I'll be making 2 double crochet right into the space, right into the bottom space here. I'll be making 2 double crochet right there. So I have 1 and 2. You can see. The next thing I'm going to do now is skip 2 double crochet, 1, 2, and into the third one I'll make 1 double crochet. So 1 double crochet. Then I'm going to skip 2 double crochet next, 1, 2, and into this very double crochet here I'll be making my shell, that is 5 double crochet into this double crochet here. You can see this one. So right on top of it here I'll be making my shell. So I'll be making 5 double crochet right into the space. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can see, beautiful, isn't it? And I'm going to be skipping 2 double crochet next, 1, 2, and into the third one I'll be making 1 double crochet. So you can see right there. I'll skip 2 next, 1, 2, and into this double crochet I'm going to be making 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can see right there. So next, I'm going to skip 2 double crochet, 1, 2, and into the next, I'm going to do 1 double crochet into this place. Skip 2 and into this double crochet. You can see this one here. I'm going to do my shell. That's 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can see. Now I'm at the end. So I'll be making 1 double crochet on top of chain 3. So you can see 1, 2, and 3. So I'll be making 1 double crochet right on top of the one, not just double crochet, right on top of this chain 3. So if you can see clearly, 1, 2, and 3. So that is why you need to work on your tension so you don't pull tight when you are making your chains, because it can affect your work a lot. You can see this is a very beautiful stitch. So the next round, so my next round, I'm going to be repeating round 2, this round 2. So chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, flip your work, right? Once you flip your work, you make 2 double crochet right into the space, 1 and 2. You can see, skip 2, 1, 2, and into the third, you make 1 double crochet, 1. Then you skip 2, 1, 2, and into the next you make a shell. Into this double crochet you make a shell. That's 5 double crochet. 3, 4, and 5. So you can see. So I'll do this until the end of row 3. So I'll meet you back right here. So right now I'm almost at the end of row 3. You can see. So right into the on top of this double crochet I'll be making a shell. 3, 4, and 5. You can see. So you'll be skipping 2. You can see, skip 2 double crochet, 1, 2, right? And on top of the chain 3, you make 1 double crochet. So you can see your chain 3 here, 1, 2, and 3. So right here on top of chain 3, I'll make a double crochet. So you can see how beautiful this pattern is. You can use this, you can go up round 4, round 5 with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is crochet_by_Jenny, or you can drop a section here on YouTube. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And see you soon, and bye.